Good morning, Green Acres! Today is Wednesday. It is September the 16th and a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, let us be effective. Show up on time. That doesn't mean walking in the door at the appointed time. That means being a couple minutes early so that you can log in and be in Schoology and already be ready to go when class begins. So let's make sure that we are on time. Don't forget, if you have not picked up your lunch ID card and your books, make sure that you come by or call the office so that you can get those today. Get them soon. Make sure you're taking care of your work. This week is the end of the first marking period, so let's make sure we're taking care of things. Make contact with your teachers so that you can recover any low grades. Today is RTI, so let's be sure that we are in the right place at the right time. Here are the times. It's also posted on our school website. So the teachers have assigned you. You show up to school. You're in advisory right now. You will be finding out where you are for RTI. And then, this is the part that's important. You go take yourself to those RTI classes and take care of business while you're there. All right, next thing. This is important, especially for 7th graders. If you are a 7th grader and have not gotten your Tdap vaccination, there is a clinic on Tuesday, September 22nd, in the Murphy Center between 9 and 11 a.m. There is no cost to you or family. If we are to come back to school and be in face-to-face with your teachers and fellow students, you must have your vaccination taken care of. Otherwise, you cannot attend face-to-face class. So, let's have good effort today, tomorrow, and always. Don't expect front row seats if you're giving nosebleed effort. Give that best effort. Get those good seats, whatever that might be. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with heart. Have a great day.